Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're keeping well and keeping safe and keeping warm this winter. Where I am it is currently snowing, so it really does feel like a cold winter. Anyway, today I'm back with my December beauty box unboxing and I cannot believe where this year has gone. We are in the final month of the year and the final unboxing awaits us. Now before we get started, I just want to thank you all for your support so far. It really means a lot to me. I am looking forward to creating more videos and sharing more content with you guys next year, so stay tuned for this. Now on to the December's beauty box. Well, this month isn't quite a box, it's more of a pouch which looks like this. We have this velvet pouch which actually has Lookfantastic at the bottom of it, and it is in a nice blue shade. It feels really thick and it is waterproof on the inside, which is great for travel. It's really difficult to show you all the goodies, but this is it. So this month's box is all about the festive edit, and on the website it states, make your skin feel and look healthier this Christmas with a festive treat. The countdown to Christmas is well and truly on, and you'll no doubt be planning your beauty looks for the upcoming party season. We're turning down the lights this festive season to get ready for glittery lights and wild nights. From the skincare must-have brand Medic 8, we're bringing you micellar mousse to leave your skin feeling glowing. CC Serum by Terry, providing long-lasting protection for a lip from within finish. Precision eyeliner from 3ENA that would provide a 24-hour festive eye finish, and more. Encased in a blue velvet pouch, you'll get the added looks accessory to use again and again with a value worth of £54. This cannot be missed. And then it goes on to list all the products we have. We also received the Edit magazine like we do every month. And I have read the editor's note and it's pretty similar to what it states on the website. It also goes ahead and tells us all the products we will receive. And then as usual there's articles within. So the first product we have is this Medic 8 Micellar Mousse 40ml, which is worth £8. So this is a rinse off cleanser, and on the back of here it says no cotton pad required. So it's a velvety mousse rather than traditional water for easy application and makeup removal without cotton pads. Combining purifying olive oil infused micelles and anti-pollution moringa seed extract, the beautifully cream light as air formula effortlessly removes makeup and deeply cleanses the skin of impurities. The complexion is left nourished and refreshed, suitable for even the most sensitive of skin. Directions: every morning and evening, pump micellar mousse into the palm of the hand and massage into moisturised face and neck. Gently remove by splashing with water and pat face dry. Best to use it after removing stubborn waterproof eye makeup. And then it just goes on to say avoid contact with eyes and all that stuff. So it is a pump, so I'm expecting it to be a bit like a hair mousse when it comes out. And voila! It is seriously like a hair mousse, but it's a lot more smoother and softer. Like, it doesn't have that stickiness. It smells very zesty and tangy at the same time. Yep, it has citrus in there. It has both grapefruit and lime. Then we have the Christopher Robin Clarifying Scrub with sea salt 40ml worth £6.72. So this is a clarifying hair scrub which contains sea salt. And it actually does smell like sea salt. It has like a coarse texture. So I've just taken a scoop and it has a grainy texture like I expected it to, and on the back of here it says use once a week and apply a tablespoon size onto wet hair, massage, then emulsify and rinse with a detangling shampoo, or any shampoo would do. Next we have the 3ENA the 24-hour pen eyeliner 900, which is worth £14.95. This eyeliner is supposed to be super precise and 14-hour wear. Now I haven't tried this brand before, but I do look forward to seeing if it does live up to the 14-hour wear test. I've just tested this on my hand and you can see that it's super black and you can control the precision of how thick and thin you want it to be. As soon as we received a cleanser in this box, I thought I'd try the cleanser to remove this eyeliner, and it has removed it perfectly. Next we have the By Terry CC cream, which is 7ml and worth £15. Now this CC cream is in the shade 4, which is Sunny Flash, so let's give it a go. Okay, this definitely is not my shade, but let's blend it out. It feels so smooth and it doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything on the skin. Next we have the Neutrogena Norwegian Formula Concentrated Hand Cream, which is worth £4.50. Now this is like any hand cream which keeps your hands nourished and moisturised. I find that the formula for this is a little bit thicker, which is really useful for dry skin. Finally we have the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream, which is 28.3 grams and it is worth £6. On the back of here it says apply from head to toe once or twice daily as needed. So I'm just going to test it out. feels like a regular moisturiser which you can just use on your body, and it smells like herby. It smells like eucalyptus. So on here it says it's enriched with shea butter, eucalyptus, oatmeal and ceramides. First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream brings immediate comfort to tired, itchy and flaky skin. Better still, the antioxidant element of this moisturising formula also provides protection against free radical damage. So guys, these are all the products that I have received in my this month's beauty box, or shall I say beauty pouch. I have recalculated all the products and I do come to a sum of £54.82. So yes, the beauty box is worth over £54. Now this brings me to the end of my tutorial, and I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys found this useful. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Take care for now, and I shall see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye!